Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these FOOKER mountain bike pedals. These really add a nice touch to my bike that already has yellow trim around it. So I picked the yellow color. As you can see, it's got each of these individual screws, machine screws sticking out here, and that ensures great traction on the pedal. This is a huge upgrade from the stock pedals that also had reflectors, which kind of look ugly. These really spice up the bike. As you can see, they've got that nice and ergonomic design. So this makes sure that you are riding in style and you are also riding safely, because your shoes can click onto these pedals very nicely and they also won't slip off. Super easy to install, by the way. It comes with 2 washers for each pedal, and as you can see right there, it's got a little label L. The other one's got an R. It tells you which side to put each pedal on. And overall, I just highly recommend that you get these for your bike. Only super cheap price, so it's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching.